Hello, and welcome to the channel. In this series, we entitled the Earl Nightingale series, Diamonds in the Rough. Earl Nightingale was a popular radio broadcaster and motivational speaker who captivated his audience with his inspirational sights and wisdom. And one of his most notable contributions was his audio program called The Strangest Secret, which sold millions of copies worldwide. Here, we are sharing with you some of the key ideals and messages that Earl Nightingale shared with his listeners decades ago. We bring you Lesson 2, which is entitled Focus and Direction. According to Earl Nightingale, our dominant thoughts shape our focus and direction in life. If we constantly dwell on worries, fears, doubts, failures, our energy is wasted on negative aspects. However, when we focus on our goals, when we focus on our dreams and the endless possibilities within, we direct our energy towards productive endeavors that move us closer to success. Let's dive deeper into this lesson, which was emphasized by Earl Nightingale. Here's an expounded explanation of how we can benefit from setting clear, specific goals. Number 1, clarity and direction. Setting clear goals provide us with a sense of direction and purpose. When we have a specific target in mind, we become focused on what we want to achieve. This clarity helps us prioritize our actions and make decisions that align with our goals. Number 2, motivation and inspiration. Goals serve as a source of motivation and inspiration. They give us something to strive for and ignite a sense of passion and enthusiasm within us. When we have well-defined goals, we're more likely to stay committed. We take consistent action and we persevere through the challenges. Number 3, measurable progress. By setting specific goals, we can track and measure our progress. It allows us to break down our goals into smaller chunks, manageable tasks or milestones, making it easier to gauge our advancement and make adjustments, meaning allow us to pivot if necessary. Seeing progress reinforces our motivation and encourages us to keep moving forward, striving for success, striving for excellence. Number 4, focus and concentration. Goals help us concentrate on our efforts and resources on what truly matters. Instead of being scattered or distracted, we direct our attention and energy towards activities that contribute to our desired outcomes. This focused approach enhances productivity and efficiency. Number 5, overcoming procrastination. When we have clear goals, procrastination becomes less likely. Goals provide a sense of urgency and a deadline to work towards, reducing the tendency to delay or postpone tasks. They create a sense of accountability, urging us to take action in a timely manner. Number 6, personal growth and development. Pursuing meaningful goals challenges us to grow and develop as individuals. It pushes us beyond our comfort zones, encourages us to acquire new skills, and broadens our knowledge and capabilities. The process of working towards goals fosters personal growth and self-development, including self-improvement. Number 7, increased resiliency. Setting and striving for goals builds resilience. We have to be patient. Along the journey, we may encounter obstacles or face setbacks and roadblocks. However, having goals gives us the strength to bounce back, to learn from our failures, and to persist in the face of all and any adversity. It cultivates a mindset of resilience, tenacity, and determination. Number 8, enhance decision making. Clear goals provide a framework for decision making. When faced with choices or opportunities, we can evaluate them based on their alignment with our goals. This clarity simplifies decision making and minimizes distractions, ensuring that our choices are in line with our long-term objectives. Number 9, sense of achievement and satisfaction. Accomplishing goals brings a profound sense of achievement and satisfaction. It boosts our self-confidence. It reinforces our belief in our abilities and provides a tangible reminder of our capabilities. Celebrating your achievements encourages you. Well, it encourages us to set new goals and continue striving for success. Number 10, life direction and fulfillment. Ultimately, setting and pursuing meaningful goals give our lives direction and purpose. They provide a roadmap for personal and professional growth, leading to a greater sense of fulfillment. Working towards and achieving our goals brings us a deep, deep sense of satisfaction and a life lived with purposeful intent. By setting clear, specific goals, we can experience these benefits and create a roadmap for continuous success and personal fulfillment. Goals provide focus, they provide motivation, and they provide a sense of purpose. They guide our actions and our decisions towards the realization of our dreams. If you are a fan of the works and the lectures and the seminars of Earl Nightingale, or if you would like to do a deeper dive into the teachings and wisdom of Earl Nightingale, I left a link in the description below. If you want to gain more from his valuable wisdom and insights, click on the next video in our Earl Nightingale series playlist. Remember, true transformation begins from within. And by embodying the principles and lessons shared in this lesson by Earl Nightingale, you possess the keys to unlock the doors to unlimited potential and opportunities. Remember this statement of Earl Nightingale as you embark upon your journey. He said, "The moment you decide on a goal to work towards, you are immediately a successful person. You are then in that rare and successful category of people who know where they're going." If we brought you values today, subscribe to our channels to join our tribe of like-minded people. Until next time, stay the steady course of seeking knowledge and maintain an unwavering faith in your ability to create the life you so truly desire. We pray you stay safe, stay motivated, and thanks for watching The Growth Mindset. Take care.